Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to change username in Myfitnesspal. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Open the Myfitnesspal app. Click on your profile picture at the top left. Click on your username. Click on Edit Profile. Here you will only be able to change your name and not your username. Go back to main screen and click on Help Center. Search for contact using the search bar. Click on the contact email provided. You will be redirected to the email application. Enter your email you're sending from. Under Subject, enter Change Username. Now compose an email with the reason you want to change your username and the new username you want, then send and wait for a response from the support team. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.